Hello, in this video we're going to look at how we edit the different elements within a page. So in the last video we looked and that we saw how each page is made of a number of slices and each slice section is layered together, and that's what creates the overall page. But within each slice section there's also different elements, and to edit these elements is just simply a case of clicking on the element and you will see the different options that we have available. So let's just go up to the top here to the logo. If I click on that, I have the option to upload a draggable picture or photo, so I can just click on here and choose the photo that I want to edit, and it will just replace that. And I have other options here, so for example filters, so I can change the look of the image. And we'll go down and to this photo here, so again just click to change the image, just upload another image. Here we have different effects, so we can have it so it's normal as it is now, we can have it so it's fixed, and if the image is fixed like that, you'll see when I scroll the image stays in place and the page moves around it, so that's a fixed image. So just click, change that back to normal again. And a parallax effect, which is where the different elements move at a slightly different speed. I can change the opacity, so if I wanted to, I could make this darker, and I might do that if I was layering text on top or something. We can crop the image, so and change the size and move it around a bit if you want to. Let's just move that back to how it was. Done. And again we can add filters if you want to add filters, and that can be quite a nice way of just changing the look and feel of images on your site. Text is exactly the same, just click on the text and this will open up the editor, so you can edit your text, change the font, change the color, change the size, etc. And again here just click and this will open the editor, so we can edit the body of the text. On a section like this where we have an image at the background and we have text on top, just click and click here, upload image, and this will change the image. And here again, the same as we saw above, this will just give us the different effects and introduce different filters if we wanted to. And again with the text on the top, just click and edit the text. And we'll see that we've got our different settings here. So if I wanted to have, this will affect the image in the background. So if I wanted to have 2 or 3 images so that they're rotating, I can add them in the slideshow settings. But we'll look at those in more detail later. So really that's all there is to it when it comes to editing a particular element on the page. It's just a case of clicking on it, and then you'll see that each different element can be edited, and it will have different editing options depending on the function of that element. So for example with the button, when I click on that, I have the opportunity to edit the link to where it goes to. So here I can edit it, send it to my shop, I can send it to another page, it can scroll to a section on my site. But as I said, that we'll look at that in more detail later. This was just looking at a broad overview of how we edit the different elements within the slice sections of a page. Thank you.